When I'm watching some program or listening to a favorite music or even reading some content and I see an advertisement, I really get irritated. And I think you also have the same feeling and you also hate watching ads. So don't you think that our customers, when they see our ads somewhere on any platform, they also get irritated? So अगर हम दूसरे की ad देखना पसंद नहीं करते हैं तो कोई हमारी ad क्यों देखेगा? So why do we hate ads? Ads are like interruption, distraction, any hindrance. So what are our responses when we see an ad? Like online we see an ad, so our first response is that we skip the ad. If we see an ad on TV, we would change the channel, right? Or if we get some advertising material, we will throw it away. And why we do that? Because we know that somebody is going to sell us something for their benefit. However, there are still some ads which engage us. We love to see them, and those ads really add some value to our life. Advertising is a very important and essential part of any marketing activity. So don't you want that you should also have something where your target audience, your prospects, your customers engage with your ad, they love watching your ad, and they don't throw away the advertising material which they receive, और they want to see it repetitively. तो आपकी ऐड कैसी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसे किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में पब्लिश करें, लोग रुके उसे देखें, उसे सुने या उसे पढ़ें. So now I'm going to give you the most powerful ad strategy. If you would apply that strategy, you would not require any other strategy for your business. उसके बाद आपकी कोई भी ऐड है, आपके यूजर्स, आपके प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स उस ऐड को देखना पसंद करेंगे. And after that, if you start creating all your ads based on only that strategy, you would not require anything else to create a successful, engaging, powerful, and most impactful ad campaign. And this strategy is called value-based marketing. That means your marketing campaign should add value to your customer's life. And there should be a benefit of your customers through your ads. So what type of ad you will have to create which would benefit your customers? So इस तरह की क्या strategy हो सकती है कि आपकी advertising से, आपकी ad से आपके customer का benefit हो? And that's very simple. It's not difficult to create, conceptualize such ads. The only effort that we have to do is to know that how our product or service can add little value or some value to the life of your customer, how you can improve the life. I'm now going to share a few examples with you. I've seen many schools and institutions, they distribute information leaflets where they talk about their services, their infrastructure and their courses. So on the other side, you can add some value by giving some information which is important for the students. You can, give them some techniques to improve their memory, to improve their handwriting, how they can read faster, how they can write better, or how they can solve equations in a much simpler way. Now what will happen? What will be the benefit for the user? That user, whosoever will get that leaflet, will not throw it away, because there is some information which is useful, which is beneficial to your customer. Now that customer is not going to throw away that leaflet like the way they throw away other pamphlets. The same thing can apply to a hospital. The hospital can offer some discount if the person is going to carry this leaflet, and he will get a discount on OPD, on the routine tests, on diagnosis. So this becomes a valuable material for your customer. Now let me give you another example. Suppose you are driving or walking on the road and you see a hoarding or a kiosk, and on that board you see a QR code where it's written that if you scan this code, you will get a free subscription to a particular service. Now, wouldn't you take out your mobile phone to scan that code? right? So if you do that, that means that advertisement has given you some benefit and that ad has added some value, and you will not skip or avoid that ad. Most of the hotels and restaurants already provide discount coupons through their ads, and people, they avail such discounts and they go to have quality food at a cheaper price. Similarly, if you are displaying your ad on any online platform like social media or a website, so you can give some content which your user can download free of cost. It could be a PDF file. You can also give some access to a video library, or or any other digital content which somebody can engage with. So don't you think this kind of advertising strategy will really be powerful for your business? Your customers will engage with your ad. They would love watching your ads, right? They'll read your content, and they'll not get irritated when they'll see your ad. और सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ये होगा कि आपके कस्टमर्स ही आपकी ऐड से बेनिफिट लेंगे और वो आपके ब्रांड को, आपके प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज को लोगों तक प्रमोट करेंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें इसका बेनिफिट हो रहा है एंड वो भी चाहेंगे कि आगे उनके नेटवर्क में उनके दोस्तों को, उनके रिलेटिव्स को भी इस प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस का बेनिफिट मिले। और वो बेनिफिट आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट कैंपेन में छुपा है, दैट्स हिडन इन योर एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन, इन दैट एक्टिविटी। सो पीपल वुड लव टू अगेन re-engage with your ad campaign, and they'll be your loyal customers because you have added some value to their life, you have made their life better, and you have now given them some benefit through your advertising marketing activities. So if you also want to create such master advertising strategy for your business, और अगर आप भी अपने बिजनेस के लिए ऐसी एडवर्टाइजिंग स्ट्रेटजी क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, then you can connect with us.